Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to record your screen on your Vivo phones, or how to paste the recorder symbol on your notification on your control center on your Vivo phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to screen record on your Vivo phones, just going to show in this video. To enable the screen recorder, it will be on the top of the control center. So it's actually here. So if you can't find the control center here, you just click on the edit pencil option on the top. Click this. After clicking the edit pencil option, it will be in the hide and drag, hold and drag, add title like that. So actually if it is here, so you just need to long press on it, and you have the vibration to track it. Now you just place wherever you just need it on the control center. So now after placing the control center, come back. Now if you just need to record the screen, so just swipe down and you just click on the record screen. So now it's total recording. You can see you have two options here. So the one was you can just pause it, but it's a transparent, it will not show while recording. So you can have this option to pause it and just end this. You can just pause it like it have paused on the 12 seconds. Just going to end this, just click on this, and now it's ended. So now you can find the video. So this is how you just record your screen record your video or screen record your mobile phone on your Vivo or Fun Touch OS mobile phone. If you really like this video and it's helped you, just subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.